front of me is Lenovo Tab P11 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this Lenovo. Begin by opening Settings. Now you need to scroll down and choose Security section. Now saucer misclick. Now tap on Face Recognition and enter your current lock and method. Then read the instructions and disable or enable Rise to Wake by tapping on this icon. Finally, click on Continue. Keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions available on your screen. Then click on Done. Manage all of those options however you wish to and tap on Home button. So now when I switch off my screen, then switch it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. In order to disable it, you need to access the same settings. Tap on Delete Facial Data, enter your login method, and click on OK in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!